ॐ पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। राहुग्रस्तदिवाकरेन्दुसदृशो मायासमाच्छादनात् सन्मात्रः करणोपसंहरणतो यो भूत्सुषुप्तः पुमान्। प्रागस्वाप्समिति प्रबोधसमये यः प्रत्यभिज्ञायते तस्मै श्री गुरुमूर्तये नम इदं श्री दक्षिणामूर्तये। We are in the sixth ullasa. You can hear clearly?
Yes, sir.
First Vartika of this one. आत्मनि परमेश्वरे स्वप्न इव दृश्य जातम माया शक्ति विलास कल्पित एव जाग्रत प्रपंचः। इन आत्मा इन परमेश्वर स्वप्न इव दृश्य जातम जाग्रत स्वप्न इव दृश्य जातम जाग्रत प्रपंच। ऐसे दिस इज हाउ यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड। माया शक्ति विलास कल्पित एव स्वप्न इव जाग्रत प्रपंच स्वप्न इव दृश्य जातम। आत्मा च अधिष्ठान भूतो नित्य एको निर्विकार इति देहादि आत्मवाद निराकरणेन प्रतिपादितम्। इन previous shloka of Dakshinamurti Stotra, Atma as the Adhisthana Bhuta, Adhisthana of Jagrat Prapancha, which is like Swapna. Atma is Nitya, Ekaha, Nirvikara. Iti Dehadi Atmavad Nirakaranena. In this way, by refuting Dehadi Atmavada, Dehatmavada, Pranatmavada, Indriyatmavada, etc., Pratipaditam. तत्र बौद्धाः स्थायी आत्मा सद्रूपो न युक्तिपथम अवतरति। The Buddhas, they say that this स्थायी sadrup atma, this is not a logical thinking, not a logical understanding. Why do they say that? That is elaborated in the further. How so? If they don't logically accept, then what will happen? अतः कथम विज्ञान शून्य पंचस्कंधवादा ईश्वर माया शक्ति विलास कल्पित महाव्योम व्यामोह रूपाः। Buddhas, they don't accept that Atma is sthai, means permanent, and it is sadrupa. So they don't accept those yuktis, yukti patham na avatarati. And therefore, how vijnana shunya panchaskandhavadaha, the Buddhas, they accept panchaskandhas. We saw recently in Bhagavad Gita Bhashya, after I think 44-45 shloka in Bhashya, The Vaisheshika Mata came, Charvak Mata came, and then first was Charvak Mata, then Bauddha Mata, Panchaskandavada, or Sankhya Panchaskandavada, and then Vaisheshika Mata came. So the Panchaskanda here they will be elaborated. Bauddhas in general, we who say Atma is Shunyam, Vijnana Shunya, Panchaskandavada, Ishwara Maya Shakti Vilasa Kalpita Mahavyoha Vyamoha Rupaha. This, how do they fall in the category where you said Maya Shakti Vilasa Kalpita Mahavyoma Vyamoha is for all those who take Deham Pranam Api Indriyanyapi Chalam Buddhim. So, Shunyam, how does that fall in this category? Iti Pratyavatishthante. So now, these Bauddhas, they oppose, means they put their arguments first. Swapne Vishwam Tatha Yatha Tatstham
Swapne Vishwam Yatha Tatham
Jagratyapi Tatheti Chet
Jagratyapi Tatheti Chet
Sushuptau Kasya Kim Bhati Sushuptau Kasya Kim Bhati Kasthai Tatra Chetanah
Kathayi Tatra Chetanah
Swapne Vishwam Yatha Tatstham Jagratyapi Tatheti Chet Sushuptau Kasya Kim Bhati Kasthai Tatra Chetanah. There is another reading. Instead of Yatha Tatstham, it says Yatha Antastham. Yatha Antahastham. So Yathantastham or Yatha Tatstham. Yathantastham would be even more closer attack. See, Yatha Swapne Vishwam Tatstham. Tatstham means Atmastham. In Swapna, Vishwa is in the Atma. And if you say in Swapna, Vishwa is Antastham, within. In the same way, Jagrat also, Swapna, Vishwa is within only. Which was already said in the first shloka. Vishwam Darpana Drishyaman Nagritulyam Nijantargatam. So, Antastham or Tatstham, Jagrati api tatha iti chet. In waking also, if it is like that. Sushuptau kasya kim bhati. In Sushupti, kasya. Kasya means of which drashta and kim bhati. What is the drishya? Kaha sthai tatra chetanaha, and who is the sthai chetana? So in Sushupti, to whom does the world become available for experience, and of what? So who is the experiencer, what is the experience, and where is your permanent Chetan Atma? Means this is the argument by Bauddha. Yatha Vishwam Drishyam Sarvam Swapne Tatstham Ishwaradhishtitam. Yatha Vishwam Drishyam Sarvam Swapne Tatstham Ishwaradhishtitam Tatha Jagratyapi Nitya Siddha Ishwara Ashrayam Iti Yadabi Manyate. Tatha Jagrati api, in the same way in waking also, Nitya Siddha Ishwara Ashrayam. In Jagrat also, Jagat as Nitya Siddha Ishwara alone as the Ashraya. Yad Abhimanyate Bhavan, if you Advaitin, if you think like this, Tad Abhimanyatam Nama, then you tell Tad Abhimanyatam means that you accept, that you keep Tad Abhimanyatam. Tathapi idam vaktavyam, but then you will have to tell this answer. Sushuptau kasya drashtuhu kim tattvam bhati. in Sushupti, of which drashta what is experienced, kim tattvam bhati. Tatra Sushuptau kaha sthai chetanaha, who is the permanent consciousness in Sushupti. न कोपि तत्र चेतनो न कस्यापि किमपि भाति. तत्र सुषुप्तौ न कोपि चेतनः, देयर इज नो कॉन्शियसनेस. न कस्यापि किमपि भाति, एंड टू नोबडी नथिंग इज एक्सपीरियंस्ड. अतो नास्ति त्वद अभिमत आत्मा इति. देयरफॉर त्वद अभिमत आत्मा, वॉट एवर यू हैव अंडरस्टूड एंड डिफाइंड आत्मा एज, दैट आत्मा नास्ति इति शून्यवादी मन्यत इत्यर्थः. इन दिस वे शून्यवादी अंडरस्टैंड्स and he has given his argument. So this about Shunyavada, there are lot of arguments also. In particular, many people want to bring Advaita Vedanta and Shunyavada as almost one. There are people who do such sadhana you call, or study you call, and their conclusion will be that both of them are saying the same thing. They always will say Shunyavada Bauddha and Advaita, they are saying the same thing. Those who do yoga practices, they will say yoga and Vedanta, they are saying the same thing. And those who are bhaktas, they will say bhakti and jnanam, they are same thing. So in different ways, people want to show that we are not different from the most popular Advaita Vedanta. Because then they will say, we are also one with you, we are also one with you. But actual fact is, and not only that, the Shunyavada, they will say, see Gaudapadacharyaji's work, and they will prove everywhere that it is all from Bauddha Karika. All the language and ideas, etc. Nagarjuna's Karikas are there. But at the end, Gaudapadacharyaji himself has written, Natvetad Natu Natvetam Buddhena Bhashitam, something like that. Buddha has not said this. These are not the words or teachings of Buddha. Vijnanavadi Matam. So now among Buddhas, the foremost one is Shunyavada. मुख्यो माध्यमिको विवर्तम अखिलम शून्यस्य मेने जगत. The मुख्य मत is शून्यवाद माध्यमिक. They say अखिलम जगत, the entire world is शून्यस्य विवर्तम. योगाचार मते तु संति मतयो तासाम विवर्तोखिलः. योगाचार मत is the second क्षणिक विज्ञानवाद. They say the entire jagat is the vivarta of mati, of buddhi, kshanika vijnana. The Sautrantika mata, they say arthosti kshanikas tvasar vanumito buddhyeti Sautrantikaha. The Sautrantika mata is that artha, all padarthas are kshanika and they are anumita. There is anumanam of the Bahya Jagat. So first two, they are the Mahayana. Last two, they are called Hinayana. Madhyamika and Yogachara, they are called Mahayana. They say there is no Bahya Jagat. Shunyavad says there is no Antar Jagat also. Anubhayatmavada. Yogachara Mata says there is Antar Jagat. Everything is Vijnanam only, Kshanik Vijnana. Sautrantika, they said arthava asti, but it is bahya jagat is anumita and it is kshanika. And Vaibhashika, the last one, of the four and also belonging to Hinayana, pratyaksham kshanabhanguram cha sakalam vaibhashiko bhashate. They say everything is kshanikam, but it is pratyaksham. It is not anumitam. So they say whatever is pratyaksha outside is there. So they accepted Bahya Jagat and Pratyaksha, Vaibhashikas. Sautrantikas, they said there is Bahya Jagat but Anumita. Yogachar Mata said there is no Bahya Jagat, it is only Kshanik Vijnana. Madhyamika said there is no Bahya, there is no Antar, it is all Shunyam. So now next is Vijnanavadi Matamaha. Sarvam cha kshanikam shunyam
सर्वं च क्षणिकं शून्यं
सर्वमेव स्वलक्षणम्
सर्वमेव स्वलक्षणं
संघातः परमाणूनां मह्यं वग्निस्समीरणाः सर्वं च क्षणिकं शून्यं सर्वमेव स्वलक्षणं संघातः परमाणूनां मह्यं वग्निस्समीरणाः सर्वं च क्षणिकं. Vijnanavada also said everything is kshanikam, and before that kshana it was not there. After that kshana it will not be there. Therefore it is most of the time shunyam, and when it appears it is kshanikam. So that's why according to them what is nitya is shunyam, and what is anitya kshanikam is mithya. They say yat sat tat kshanikam. This is their vyapti. Yat sat tat kshanikam. Santasya ime bhavaha. And all this is sat. Santa means bahuvachanam. Sat. All this is sat. And therefore everything is kshanikam, and before and after it is shunyam. Sarvam eva swalakshanam. This is the lakshana of everything. संघातः परमाणुनाम मही अंबु अग्नि समीरणाः. 4 elements. Everything whatever is kshanikam, what is that? Parmanunam sanghatah. It is the assembly of all the parmanus of Prithvi, Jal, Agni and Vayu. Mahi, Ambu, Agni, Samira. Mahincha, Mahishcha, Agnishcha, Ambu, Mahicha, Ambucha, Agnischa, Samirascha. Iti Mahi, Ambu, Agni, Samiranaha. Which Dvandva Samasa is this? Itaretara Dvandva Samasa. So their sanghata is everything. Tika. Sarvam cha jagat atma sahitam kshana matram. Entire jagat including atma sahitam kshana matram sat. It is there only for a moment. Kshana matram sat. Tatha sarvam shunyam prag uttara kshanayoho asat. Prior moment and the later moment it is all asat. Only that moment it is kshana matram sat. Prag uttara kshanayoho asat. Sarvam anyatha asat shunyam. तथा सर्वं स्वलक्षणं स्वग्राह्यं न ग्राह्य ग्राहक भेदवद इत्यर्थः. Sarvam swalakshanam means swagrahyam. Swagrahyam means there is no separate experiencer and experienced. Experiencer and experienced are in the same kshanik vijnana. In fact, that Kshanik Vijnana is its own illuminator also. Vedanta says Atma is Swayam Prakasha. Buddha, they say Atma is Swasya Prakashaka and Prakashya. This is the difference actually. If you closely pay attention to the words, Vedanta says Atma is Swayam Prakasha. They say it is Prakashaka and Prakashya. But many of our Vedanta acharyas also loosely, instead of Swayam Prakasha, they will go on saying Swayam Prakashaka, without knowing that they are going into Buddha darshan. When people, when they study less and talk more, then this happens. मही अंबु अग्नि समीरणाः चत्वारि भूतानि परमाणुनां चतुर्विधानां संघातः. The four elements mahi. So these are now idanim panchaskandha samudaya matam upanyasyati. What is the panchaskandaha? So he begins now about panchaskandha. These four elements mahi agni मही अंबु अग्नि समीरणा चत्वारि भूतानि परमाणुनां चतुर्विधानां संघातः न आरब्ध अवयवी नापि परिणाम इत्यर्थः. They are not आरब्ध अवयवी नापि परिणाम. So they are not the ones having the arambha. So it is not arambhavada and it is not parinamavada. It is sanghatavada. So that shloka also you are aware, arambhavadaha kanabhakshapakshah sanghatavadastu bhadantapakshah sankhyaadipakshah parinamavado vedantapakshastu vivartavadaha. So they say their paksha is this sanghatavada. Now what are the panchaskandha? अणु हेतुकम बाह्य संघातम उक्त्वा. The बाह्य संघात is all assembly of अणु. अणु हेतु यस्य स अणु हेतुकम बाह्य संघातम. Outside world is all having, or outside assembly has अणु as its hetu. Hetukam. So they say everything, all building, structure, Himalaya, Ganga, is all anu only. So many anus put together. And you cannot see one anu. But if you put so many together, then you can see. Like their drashtanta is, if one hair is there somewhere, you cannot see. But so many hairs are there, then you can see. Skanda hetukam adhyatma sanghatam aha. Now, adhyatma sanghata is mentioning which has skandha as its hetu, not anu hetu, skandha hetu. Manushyadi sharirani skandha panchaka samhatihi skandhascha rupa vijnana sanya samskara vedanaha मनुष्यादि शरीराणि स्कंद पंचक संहति स्कंधाश्च रूप विज्ञान संज्ञा संस्कार वेदनाः. मनुष्यादि शरीराणि स्कंध पंचक संहति. मनुष्यादि शरीरस they are स्कंध पंचक संहति. They are the Sanghata of the five skandhas. Manushya Sharira is assembly of five skandha. Skandha Shabda skandhate aruhyate iti skandha. So something on which you ride, on which you climb, that is called skanda. Skandasya Rupa Vijnana Sanya Samskara Vedanaha. 5 skandhas are defined here. Rupa, Vijnana, Sanya, Samskara, Vedanaha. So, Kete Skandha iti apekshayam aha skandasya rupa iti. Now, he is going to elaborate on each skandha. So, Manushya Sharira is assembly of these 5 skandhas, and Bahya Jagat is assembly of Parmanus of the 4 elements. Akasha they have not mentioned. According to them, Akasha is nothing but Abhav only. In Siddhanta Bindu we saw this Purva Paksha. Uddesha Kramena Tesham Swarupam Upadishati. उद्देश्य क्रमेण त्रिविधा शास्त्रस्य प्रवृत्तिः उद्देश्य देन लक्षणं परीक्षा च उद्देश्य लक्षण परीक्षा च त्रिविधा शास्त्रस्य प्रवृत्तिः. व्हाट इज उद्देश्य? नाम मात्रेण वस्तु संकेतः. उद्देश्य इज नाम मात्रेण वस्तु, जस्ट गिविंग द नेम फर्स्ट. So in the previous shloka, names were given of the 5 skandha. Rupa, Vijnana, Sanya, Sanskar, Vedana. Over. This is called Uddesha. Now, Uddesha Kramena Tesham Swarupam. So now you have to give Lakshana. Like Dravya, Guna, Karma, Samanya, Vishesh, Samavaya, Abhav. These are the names. This is Sanya. Uddesha. Nama Matrena Vastu Sanketa. Then you have to give Lakshana. What is Dravya, what is Guna, what is Karma, what is Samanya, Vishesha, etc. Uddesha Kramena Tesham Swarupam Upadishati. Now their Swarupa Upadesha is given. Rupyanta iti Rupani
Rupyanta iti rupani
Vishayaschendriyanyapi
Vishayachendriyanyapi
Vishayendriyayorjnanam
Vishayendriyayorjnanam
Vijnanaskandha Uchyate.
Vijnanaskandha uchyate
Rupyanta iti Rupani Vishayaschendriyanyapi Vishayendriyayorjnanam Vijnanaskandha Uchyate. Rupyanta iti Rupani. Rup dhatu कर्मणि घय. If you do, then you will get Rupyante iti Rupani Vishayaha. This will be the etymology. If you do Karmani Ghai, Rupyante iti Rupani. If you do Ghai in Karana, Karana Vyutpatti, Rupyante Yaihi Tani Rupani Indriyani. Rupyante Yaihi Tani Rupani. That by which forms are known. Like if you remember in Siddhanta Bindu, in the shloka, in the mantra, Agnir Yathaiko Bhuvanam Pravishtaha Rupam Rupam Pratirupo Babhuva. In that Rupam was not defined as form. Rupam was defined as Rupyate Anena, mind, Antakarana. Rupyate Anena iti Rupam. So that was Karana Vyutpatti. Here also, only thing is, here it is Bahuvachanam. Rupyante iti Rupani Vishayaha Indriyani api Rupyante Yaihi Tani Rupani. That is Karane Ghai Pratyaya. Vishayendriyayoho Jnanam Vijnanaskandha Uchyate. Vishaya Indriyayoho Jnanam. The knowledge of Vishayas, Indriyas. Because Vishayas also are called Rupa, Indriyani also are called Rupa, with 2 different Vyutpatti. So Vishaya Indriyayoho Jnanam is Vijnana Skandha. So first one is Rupa Skandha. Second is Vijnana Skandha. Vijnana Skandha is their Jnanam. Savishayani Indriyani Rupa Skandha. What is Rupa Skandha? Indriyas along with Vishayas. Savishayani Indriyani Rupa Skandha. Vijnana Skandha Swarupamaha Vishayendriyayoho iti. Jnanamatram Vijnana Skandha ityartha. Vijnana Skandha is only Jnanamatram. Sanya Skandha Swarupamaha. Now Sanya Skandha. Sanya Guna Kriya Jati
संज्ञा गुण क्रिया जाति
Vishishta Pratyayatmika
विशिष्ट प्रत्ययात्मिका
Panchadha Kalpana Prokta
पंचधा कल्पना प्रोक्ता
Sanya Skandhasya Saugataihi
संज्ञा स्कन्धस्य सौगतैः
Sanya Guna Kriya Jati Vishishta Pratyayatmika Panchadha Kalpana Prokta Sanya Skandhasya Saugataihi Gavam Gauriti Sanyokta
गवां गौरिति संयोक्ता
Jatir Gotvam Tu Gogatam
जातिर्गोत्वं तु गोगतम्
Guna Shukladayastasya
गुणा शुक्लादयस्तस्य
Gachatyadyasthatha Kriyaha
गच्छत्याद्
Dyasthatha Kriyaha Gavam Gauriti Sanyokta Jatir Gotvam Tu Gogatam Guna Shukladayastasya
गच्छत्याद्यास्तथा क्रियाः
Gachatyadyasthatha Kriyaha. Sanya. Third one is Sanya Skandha. So both shlokas and the next one also is for Sanya Skandha only. Shringi Chatushpalanguli
शृङ्गी चतुष्पालाङ्गूली
Vishishta Pratyayo Hyasau
विशिष्टप्रत्ययो ह्यसौ
Evam Panchavidha Kliptihi
एवं पञ्चविधा कृतिः
Sanya Skandha Itiriyate
संज्ञा स्कन्ध इतीर्यते
Shringi Chatushpalanguli Vishishta Pratyayo Hyasau Evam Panchavidha Kliptihi Sanya Skandha Itiriyate. So now Sanya Skandha. First one was Rupa Skandha. Second one was Vijnana Skandha. Now this Sanya Skandha, he says it is thought of in 5 ways. Panchadha Kalpitaha. How? Guna Kriya Jati Sanya Guna Kriya Jati Vishishta. These 5 pratyas are there in Sanya Skandha. Sanya Guna Kriya Jati Vishishta Pratyatmika Panchadha Kalpana Sanya Skandhasya Saugataihi Prokta. By the Saugata Bauddha Sanya Skandhasya Panchadha Kalpana Prokta. 5-fold Kalpanas are thought of. Sanya. So now what are they? In Tika itself we will see, and examples are given in Shloka. Sanya Shabdaha. Sanya means Shabda, word, name. Sanya Prakaranam you know in Lagu. Guno Rupadihi. Gunaha Rupadi. So Guna. Instead of Dravya Guna Kriya Jati, they say Sanya Guna Kriya Jati. Guna. So they, of course, they have their own guna, not Chaturvimshati guna. Rupadi. Rupa Rasagandha ityadi. Kriya. Tat Karya Janana Samarthyam. Kriya activity is in the form of a specific Karya Janana Samarthyam. Ability to produce certain things or to do certain things. Jatihi अवच्छेदको धर्म विशेष. Jati is the avachedaka. Avachedaka means that which separates one from the other is the jati. Like manushya jati, pashu jati, pakshi jati, vriksha jati. Then within manushya jati, purusha, stri, bala, युवा वृद्ध इत्यादि. धर्म विशेष. विशिष्ट प्रत्ययो नाना अवयव संस्थान निबंधन प्रत्यय. द विशिष्ट इज नथिंग बट नाना अवयव संस्थान निबंधन. नाना अवयव, द मेनी पार्ट्स विच आर देयर, कंपोनेंट्स, देयर संस्थान विशेष, संस्थान निबंधन. सो देयर अरेंजमेंट, their particular formation will make that thing vishishta. Vishishta pratyaya comes from that. Like if two pots are there, what is the vishesha between pot 1 and pot 2? So that vishesha is that here there is arrangement of the Chatur Mahabhuta in a particular formation. In the other pot, they are in some different formation, starting with some different Parmanus. That is the Vishesha. एवं पंचदः कल्पना संज्ञा स्कंधस्य सौगतैः सौत्रांतिकादिभिः प्रोक्ता इत्यर्थ. दिस इज दी विच सौगत? सौत्रांतिका. प्रत्यक्षं क्षणभंगुरं च सकलं वैभाषिको भासते. सो दैट इज वैभाषिक, and just Vaibhashika says everything is Pratyaksha. Sautrantika, only thing different he says is everything is Anumitam. You can do Anumana that there is world outside. Why? Because you are experiencing inside. Therefore, there has to be world outside. You know, this Tarka Sangraha, Nyaya people, they will do Anumanam on Anumanam to gain the knowledge. On Pratyaksha, they definitely do Anumanam. They are not happy with Pratyaksha Pramana. So, if they see directly, if they see fire, then there is one Jnanam, but they will wait. First they will see smoke. Then they will say one Niman, Dhumavatvat. In this way, they will do Anuman. Then they will be very happy. These people also, Pratyaksha Jagat, if you say it is available, what Vaibhashikas they say no. You have to do Anumana. But Kshanik Vignan says, in Swapna, is there Bahya Jagat? No, only Antar Jagat. Vasana is expressed outside. So, there is no Bahya Jagat. This discussion is there in Mandukya, 4th chapter, Karika 24-25. 4th chapter Karika is there, Alat Shanti. एवं पंचधा कल्पना संज्ञा स्कंदस्य सौगते ही सौत्रांतिकादिभिः प्रोक्ता इत्यर्थः. Now in this, what is संज्ञा, what is guna, kriya, jati? So 4 are explained in 6th shloka. Gavam gauhu iti संज्ञा ukta. In cows, gauhu, a cow, this is called संज्ञा. Gauhu is the संज्ञा. What is jati? Gotvam is the jati. Jati hi gotvam. Where is this jati available? Go gatam. It is present in go, cow. So gotva is the jati, cowness. It is present in cow. A cow is a sanya, is a name. What is guna? Gunaha shukladayaha. White cow, yellowish pingla cow, they say. and brown or Chitraguhu. Chitragava, not Chitragu. Chitragu will be the name of the owner. So colorful cows. They are called, so the gunas are the colors. Shukla, whatever is the color of the cow, etc. Here cow example, but you can use Neela, Pita, Rakta, whatever. And Kriyaha tasya gacchati adyaha tatha kriyaha. Tatha tasya kriyaha gacchati. So, he is using example of cow, but you can use it for everything. Huh? Yanam gacchati, vimanam gacchati, hasti gacchati, agacchati, tishtati, khadati, ityadi. They are all kriya. Vishishta pratyaya, what is Vishishta pratyaya? Vishishta pratyayo hi asau. Shringi. Shringi means with the two horns. Chatushpat with 4 legs. Languli with a tail. These are all Vishishta pratyaya. Vishishta pratyayo hi asau. So all these are Panchadha kalpanam udaharanena vyutpadayati. All these are the 5-fold kalpana with examples they are presented. Evam panchavidha kliptihi sanya skandha itiriyate. In this way, panchavidha kliptihi kalpana, 5-fold kalpana, they are all sanya skandha. This is all sanya skandha. So how many skandhas are over? 3. Rupa skandha, Vijnana skandha, Sanya skandha. Now next one is Samskara skandha and then Vedana skandha. Samskara skandham aha. Ragadyaha punya papecha. Ragadyaha punya papecha. Sanskara skandha uchyate.
Samskara skandha uchyate.
Sukham dukkham cha mokshascha.
Sukham dukkham cha mokshascha.
Skandhasyadvedanahvayah.
Skandhasyadvedanahvayah.
Ragadyaha punya papecha. Sanskara skandha uchyate. Sukham dukkham cha mokshascha. Skandhasyadvedanahvayah. Ragadyaha punya papecha sanskara skandha uchyate. Raga, dvesha, sukha, dukha, punya, papa, these are all samskaras. Ishta, anishta. Not sukha, dukha. Sukha, dukha is vedana. Sukham, dukham, moksha. They are belonging to vedana. Vedana means jnanam. Vedana skandha. Skandhasyat vedana ahvayah. Ahvaya means they are names. So this is the name. Sukha, dukha, moksha. They all are belonging to Vedana skandha. That is the name. That is Vedana skandha. What is Vedana skandha? Sukha, dukha, moksha. What is Samskara skandha? Raga, dvesha, punya, papa, etc. Vedana skandham aha sukhamiti. Moksho nama nirupaplava vijnana santana udaya. Nirupaplava means vishay rahita. Nirvikalpa. Moksha is nirupaplava vijnana santana. Santati means a continuous flow of nirvikalpa pratyaya. This is called moksha according to them. And instead of moksha, sometimes there is another reading mohascha. Sukham dukham cha mohascha. Which is actually very close to Sankhya. And this, because sukham is from sattva, dukkham is from rajas, and moha is tamoguna. So trigunatmakam. Iti pathe vishadikara upapluta vijnana santana ityartha. Then it will be, if you say moha, then it will be vishadikara akara Upapluta. Upapluta means overpowered by or associated by some anishta. That is moha. This is Vedana skandha. आत्मा पंचस्कंध अतिरिक्तः कोपि स्थायी भविष्यति इति आशंक्य तत्सत्वे प्रमाण अभावात् मैवमित्याह. Atma is different from the panchaskandha, some permanent entity. There is some such thing. Maybe if there is some such thing, bhavishyati iti ashankya, tat sattve pramana bhava. There is no pramana for this. And therefore, there is no such permanent Atma different from panchaskandha. Panchabhya eva skandhebhyo
पञ्चभ्य एव स्कन्धेभ्यो
नान्य आत्मास्ति कश्चन
नान्य आत्मास्ति कश्चन
न कश्चिदीश्वरः कर्ता
न कश्चिदीश्वरः कर्ता
स्वगतातिशयं जगत्
स्वगतातिशयं जगत्
पंचभ्य एव स्कन्धेभ्यो नान्य आत्मास्ति कश्चन न कश्चिदीश्वरः कर्ता स्वगतातिशयं जगत्. पंचभ्यः स्कंधेभ्यः अन्य आत्मा कश्चन नास्ति. अदर देन दीज 5 skandha there is no other atma, and there is no another karta of this jagat called Ishvara. Na kashchid Ishvarah karta. Then what is, how this jagat is formed? Because you have all paramanus who will bring them together in a right format and all. Swagata atishayam jagat. The world has started on its own. It doesn't need anything or anybody. Panchabhya eva skandhebhyo nanya atma asti kaschana. तथापि संहंतुरभावे संघात असिद्धेः संहते संहत ईश्वरो अन्यो अभ्युपेयः. सम ईश्वरो of the संघात, संहंत ईश्वरो अन्य अभ्युपेयः. So the collector of संघात is called संहंतुः. स एव आत्मा भविष्यति इति आशंक्याः. That alone has to be Atma. He said, no, there is no such thing. न कश्चिद् अस्ति ईश्वरः. स्वगत एव अतिशयो यस्य तत् जगत् स्वगत अतिशयम न अन्यकृत अतिशय योगी इत्यर्थः. Nobody else has brought this world together. Swagata atishayam. On its own, it has become of this form, of this nature. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutrabhashya Krutau Vande Bhagavantau Punaha Punaha. Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Bheda Vibhagine Vyomavad Vyaptadehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Om.